He's been called the tender kingpin of Tembisa Hospital, a man accused of looting over 800 million rand meant for public health care. But now, Morgan Maumela isn't fighting investigators, he is fighting for a family holiday to Disney World, Paris. Yes, you heard that right. The same man at the center of a massive corruption scandal is asking the Johannesburg High Court for permission to take his child overseas. According to court documents obtained by Sunday World, Maumela planned a July trip to Paris with his son and other children, but the boy's mother refused to give consent and told him, and I quote, "Let your lawyers handle it." Now Maumela has turned to the courts to overrule her decision. The child's mother, whose name is withheld to protect their minor, has also filed her own case. She says they were married in community of property, pointing to the 60,000 rand that was paid for lobola that Maumela paid years ago that she argues makes her entitled to half his estate. But Maumela flatly denies it. He says there was no legal marriage and she is simple after her money. He insists he already pays child maintenance plus 50,000 rand every year for the child's holiday, 100,000 for the mother's holidays, and even replaces their vehicle every 5 years. Their relationship dates back to 2015, but ended in 2022 after what he calls a breach of trust. After the split, he moved to Northwest Province and claims she started blocking his contact with the child. In May this year, Maumela asked for permission to travel abroad with his son, but when she said no, he went ahead and applied for a travel visa anyway. By August, the visa was approved. He even sent her the full itinerary, offering video calls while they were away. Still, she refused. Now the court must decide, can he take the trip or will he stay grounded? But who is Morgan Maumela and why does his name cause such outrage? He is the businessman behind what investigators call the Tembisa Hospital Tender Syndicate. According to the Special Investigating Unit, Maumela's companies benefited from the 816 million rand in irregular contracts using front companies' fake BBBEE certificates and split tenders designed to dodge procurement rules. His network of companies allegedly stretches across provinces with millions flowing through accounts linked to his family trust. The asset forfeiture unit has already frozen assets worth hundreds of millions, including luxury homes, expensive cars, and bank accounts. Media reports even connect Maumela by marriage to President Cyril Ramaphosa. That connection has fueled public anger, with many seeing him as a symbol of how deep corruption runs in South Africa's health system. The same system once exposed by whistleblower Babita Deokaran, who was tragically murdered after revealing details of suspicious tenders at Tembisa Hospital. Now, as investigators freeze his assets and trace every rand of the missing 800 million rand, Maumela is focused on a different battle, a personal one, a father's fight to take his child to Disneyland. Is it an innocent trip of love and family, or another move by a man with too much money and too many secrets? The Johannesburg High Court will decide soon, but one thing is clear for Morgan Maumela. The road from Tembisa to Disneyland is paved with controversy. And what do you think? Should the court let him travel? Or is this just another chapter in the Tender Kingpin's drama? Please drop your thoughts in the comment below and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more South African true crime stories. Thank you for watching.